Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Alpha Grillers Instant Read Meat Thermometer for Grill and Cooking. Best waterproof ultra-fast thermometer with backlight and calibration. Digital food probe for kitchen, outdoor grilling, and barbecue. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: 2CR 2-button battery, meat temperature chart, for hook and loop dots for storage, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience, and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use: from barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. Easy Read Digital Thermometer for Cooking. Large instant thermometer dial with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Water resistant, perfect digital cooking. Thanks for watching and subscribe.